It's the middle of the night.
I know that, but do you want to build a snowman? Come on, no one's around. Do the magic, do the magic. To be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye.
The gloves will help. See? You're good. Now, conceal it.
Don't feel it.
Don't let it show.
You can't marry a man you just met.
You can if it's true love.
Anna, what do you know about true love?
More than you. All you know is how to shut people out.
I'm sorry, Anna, you asked for my blessing, and my answer is no. The party is over. Close the gates. Elsa! No! Give me my glove. Elsa, please! Please! You have to trust that I'm doing what's best for both of us. But I can't live like this anymore. Then leave.
Leave? Why would you? What did I ever do to you?
Enough, Anna.
No! Why? Why do you shut me out? Why do you shut the world out? What are you so afraid of?
I said enough!
No! Sorcery! I knew there was something dubious going on here!
Elsa!
Monsters! Monsters!
No!
It's snowing! It's snowing in the middle of July! The queen has cursed the land! She's a monster, I tell you!
Just stay away from me, all of you! Just stay away! Elsa, wait!
You can't go after her!
This is all my fault! I pushed her, so I'm the one who has to go after her!
Let it go! Let it go! I am one with the wind and sky! Let it go! Let it go! You'll never see me cry! Here I stand, and here I will stay!
I'm fine, thanks. Hey, how's your head?
Hi. Oh, it's fine. I mean,
I'm good. I've got a thick skull.
I don't have a skull. Ah! Or bones. Hi, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
Olaf? That's right, Olaf!
And you are?
Oh, I'm Anna.
And who's the funny-looking donkey over there?
That's Sven.
Uh-huh. And who's the reindeer?
Sven.
Oh, they're both? Oh, okay. Makes things easier for me.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks?
But you'll never meet a fella who's as sensitive and sweet. So he's a bit of a fixer-upper. So he's got a few flaws.
Like his peculiar reindeer.
Is he with a ranger
That's a little outside of nature's laws.
I tried to save her, but it was too late. Your sister is dead because of you. Oh no!
Kristoff! You came back! Elsa? No! Anna? Oh, no, please, no! No.
Anna?
Anna.
You sacrificed yourself for me. Of course I did. I love you.
An act of true love will thaw a frozen heart.
Love will fall. Love. Of course.
Ladies and boys, we got a run with the historic Golden Horseshoe. Now, get ready to hoop, get ready to holler. Put your hands together for one, the only Michael T. Pettibo.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Glad to see you. Good time. Thank you very much for coming. Hey, it's nice and cozy and dry in here, right? No, you're so welcome. Thank you for coming to Disneyland and see our show. How about some more hooping and hollering? It's real rowdy in here, you guys. That sounds good. I'm gonna tickle the iris and take this thing off. I know just the song. Jump in with me. Let's do it. Oh, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. And oh my, what a wonderful thing. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay.
Now give me just a second here and maybe I can make some sense out of this. Now,
Folks, look, Frontierland is, well, it's a lot more than just a town. It's a lot more than just my home. Frontierland, it's a feeling. And it's a feeling that you get whether you're new to town or whether you live here your whole life. It's the same feeling you have when you sit down with your family and stuff. Or when you see a loved one heading up the trail toward you. And this feeling makes you want to come together and work hard. Build a community where there truly are no strangers. So that way, no matter where you're from, no matter what you do, you know that when you come to Frontierland, you'll be greeted with a very warm and that's how you know Frontierland ain't just my home. It's all of our homes. Clem, that was truly heartfelt and, well, with no politics next to it.
Let's introduce this as a Frontierland and I'm back to the family. Great job, Stu, Paul, Davey, Meg, thanks so much for your help. Folks, on behalf of all of us here, for Olde out there, we want to wish you adios and happy trails. Ready about 5, 6, 7, 8. Frontierland, it's such a peaceful Frontierland. It's a train. Frontierland. Hey, what? Here we go.
Okay, we're back, Neon. So we had a couple of shows. We watched the show at the Golden Horseshoe, the Laughing Stock Company.
They are truly a laughing riot.
Yeah. And then we finally saw Frozen at the Hyperion over at DCA.
It's all right. I shouldn't compare, but I think I kind of like the one on the Disney on Ice one better. I'm not even sure.
Yeah, it was pretty solid. I think there might have been a couple technical errors in it. Yeah, one of the mics cut out. Very, very temporary, just for one of the minor troll characters.
Yeah, and I thought I lost my hearing. Like, what? And then it came back, so I was like, okay, whatever.
And then I was looking above. They had this giant ice thing, which never came down. Like, that's the only show they put on there, so...
I assume it's coming down at some point. I totally was waiting for it to come down during Letting Go.
That's what I assumed. I kept looking up, because I was recording, and I was like, okay, I'm going to need to pan up. I need to plan my pan. And it never came. Like, oh, okay, well, maybe they'll do it at the end. Like, I was like, oh, look what I can do. Here's your thing. And then, no. So, yeah, we'll watch it again at some point in the future. Maybe wait another month or two to see if they fix it.
More or less, yeah. Maybe just off for that show.
But yeah, for now I want to go check out King Triton Carousel at night, because who knows how long it's going to stay, King Triton Carousel.
And good news, the sky's cleared up.
Yeah, look at that. I can actually see... no, I can't see it. Yeah, I saw some stars earlier, and now when I'm looking to show the camera, it's not there.
But the point is, the clouds, the storm is come and gone. You're on the other side, but now it's cold.
So something I just thought of looking at the Golden Zephyr, it says Paradise Pier on there. Are they going to change that? Because that area is going to be Paradise Park now. I guess it could easily replace IER with ARK.
Yeah, maybe. We'll see.
It's good seeing that the fun wheel's on. Not all of California Screaming is lit up. Some of it, some of the lift hills and such. But it looks like parts of it may be off.
Here's Paradise Pier evening.
So we're going to see about seeing Wool of Color later, maybe Phantasmic. We'll have to see what it has in store. It might even do something we never do. Soaring over the world. Yeah, I haven't done that since they've changed it from California.
Still bummed about that. I remember though, I think that was like the first step toward let's redo everything.
I mean, it's not the worst thing. It's still about aviation over there, but still, it should have been over California.
Yeah.
But, okay, to King Triton Carousel.
Oh, one more thing. Isn't the hotel called Paradise Pier Hotel?
Oh, yes, it is.
Huh.
So we'll see if they remodel that, or they might just keep it because of the other side of the park.
Paradise Park Hotel?
Or they'll change it to Pixar. Just wait for it. Calling it now.
Don't give them ideas.
Oh, they already have it. Believe me.